66 million years ago, a Dominion battle was brewing. A group of armored dinosaurs sensed danger approaching. Across from them, several 13-foot-long raptors had already prepared for attack. Obviously, the armored dinosaurs were no match, but the real target of these predators turned out to be two young giant long necks. Despite the massive size difference, the raptors moved with surprising agility around the giants. Many animals have strong territorial instincts. Under normal circumstances, raptors wouldn't target such massive prey. These two giants were sudden intruders, so they triggered an aggressive response from the raptors. Unfortunately, sometimes misjudging your own strength can have serious consequences. Very serious consequences. These two giants